Chapter 14. Beyond the Earth. Space. The vast and infinite area beyond the Earth's atmosphere is known as space. It has various heavenly bodies like stars, planets, meteors, etc. The collection of information about the different heavenly bodies in outer space is known as space exploration. Let us begin our journey to space. Universe. Let refers to a big, open place which is beyond our imagination. It is all of space and its contents include the Earth, the Sun, the planets, the stars and all heavenly bodies. According to scientists, the universe came into existence due to the Big Bang theory. Solar System. The solar system has of the Sun, 8 planets and their moons, along with other heavenly objects like comets and asteroids. Every planet travels around the Sun along a fixed path called its orbit. In order of their distance from the Sun, the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Earth is the only planet in the solar system which supports any life form. It orbits around the Sun once every 365 days. It is also called the blue planet, as it appears blue when seen from space. It is due to the presence of water on the Earth. Moon. The Moon is the nearest neighbor of the Earth in space. It is about 384,400 kilometers away from the Earth. It is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It revolves around the Earth in 27.3 days. It is the brightest object in the sky, next to the Sun. It has no light of its own. It shines because it only reflects the light of the Sun. The Sun and the Moon appear to be of the same size, although the Sun is much bigger. This is because the Moon is closer to the Earth. Artificial satellites. They refer to the man-made object. They are placed in orbit around the Earth or other planets to carry out specific purposes. They are sent into space using specially designed rockets. These satellites revolve around the Earth in a manner similar to the Moon. Sputnik I, launched by Russia, was the first artificial satellite sent into space. India has also launched several artificial satellites, including Apple, Rohini, Aryabhatta, Bhaskar and INSAT-1A. Some satellites even carry astronauts for space research. Artificial satellites are of different types, depending on the purposes they serve. Let us know about them. 1. Communication satellites. They help us in communication by passing telephone, radio and television signals. They help in telecasting live TV programs. 2. Weather satellites. They help in weather forecasting by taking pictures of the cloud movements. 3. Space satellites. They study heavenly bodies, like stars, planets, comets and moon. They give us information about them. People in space. 1. Yuri Gagarin of the USSR was the first man to go into space on 12 April, 1961. He was the first man to do so. 2. In 1963, Valentina Tereshkova went into space. She was the first woman to do so. 3. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin of the US became the first people to land on the surface of the Moon on 20 July, 1969. They went into space in Apollo 11 spacecraft. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the surface of the Moon. 4. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to fly into space on 3 April, 1984. He spent 8 days in space on board. When he flew into space, he was a squadron leader with the Indian Air Force. He was awarded with the Hero of Soviet Union award on his return from space. The government of India honored him with the Ashoka Chakra. 5. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian origin to go into space. In her first space mission which began on 19 November, 1997, she was the member of 6 astronaut crew that flew in the Space Shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. Unfortunately, her second space mission STS-107 ended abruptly on 1 February, 2003. The Space Shuttle Columbia and the crew perished while entering the Earth's atmosphere, 16 minutes before the scheduled landing. Kalpana Chawla was posthumously awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the NASA Space Flight Medal, and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal.